In cases where standard therapies fail, a medication called XEN1101 reduces seizure frequency by more than 50% in some patients, and sometimes eliminates them altogether, a new study shows. Unlike several treatments that must be started at low doses and slowly ramped up, the new drug can safely be taken at its most effective dose from the start, the authors say.
The air taxi market is almost ready for takeoff, with companies such as Boeing, Hyundai, Airbus, and Toyota building fleets to have commuters flitting through the sky. Europe and the US have both drafted new rules to pave the way for air taxis to begin operations within the decade, with Australia's Civil Aviation Safety Authority, CASA, to follow suit.
Traveling is an exciting way to explore new places and cultures. It broadens our horizons and fosters understanding between people from different backgrounds. From exotic foods to stunning landscapes, every trip creates lasting memories. It's an adventure that enriches our lives and teaches us valuable lessons about ourselves and the world around us.
Dreams are the landscapes where our deepest desires take flight. They are the whispers of our subconscious, revealing hidden aspirations and fears. Dreams can be elusive, slipping through our fingers like sand, or they can be powerful motivators that propel us forward. They are the canvases on which we paint our hopes and aspirations.
Centuries ago, in a time long forgotten, great civilizations rose and fell, leaving behind a legacy etched in the annals of history. From the majestic pyramids of Egypt to the grandeur of ancient Rome, each era had its triumphs and tribulations. The tales of conquerors and visionaries, heroes and villains, continue to captivate our imagination.
Love is a powerful force that transcends boundaries and defies logic. It can bring immense joy and profound pain, often simultaneously. Love is the gentle touch that heals wounds and the flame that ignites passion. It is the unspoken words that convey understanding and the shared laughter that creates memories.
Music is a universal language that transcends cultural boundaries. It evokes emotions and memories, bringing people together in harmony. Whether it's classical, pop, or rock, music has the power to inspire and uplift. It's a form of self-expression that touches the hearts of millions worldwide.
The sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm golden glow over the tranquil meadow. The gentle breeze whispered through the tall grass, creating a soothing melody. The scent of wildflowers filled the air as butterflies danced from petal to petal. Birds chirped their evening lullabies while a stream trickled nearby.
Psychology is the scientific study of human behavior and mental processes. Understanding the complexities of the human mind allows psychologists to develop effective interventions and treatments for a wide range of mental health challenges, which can improve the quality of life for individuals and communities alike.
A very unexpected discovery has surprised the world. The Amazon forest, thought to be a reservoir of wildlife and primitive indigenous settlements, was also the seat of advanced civilizations. By advanced, we mean that they were large urban societies with civic and ritualistic activities, in contrast with nomadic small tribes.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.